Welcome to Cool Maths Learning Course with SKIDOS.
Hi there. Let's learn about the predecessor of a number. Predecessor of a number is the number just before it. Let's create a number line from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 comes just before 4. So, 3 is the predecessor of 4. 2 also comes before 4, but it is not just before 4. We can also find the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. So, the predecessor of 15 is 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. 202 comes just before 203. So, 202 is the predecessor of 203. Or, 203 minus 1 gives the predecessor 202.
Ask a grown-up to download SKIDOS Math Game for more math learning activities. And do like, share, and subscribe.